Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Check out this really cool sunset here at the Lachine Canal Bridge, as I got a train crossing shortly. Usually I'm on the other side over here. This is St Henri Street. And these are the buildings on St Henri Street, rather. And there's St Henri on the other side. And it sounds like I'm gonna have a Via train, I think. Yep, that's a Via train there. And there will be a Bud car on the end, a Bud heritage coach, GE car. You can't see anything after that. Okay. But notice those fall colors coming in. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.